This video is an instructional tool owned by the Division of Negros Oriental. The division acknowledges the intellectual property rights of the owner of the pictures, illustrations, music, and other similar materials used. This video is made to address the need of grade 8 learners of Negros Oriental, especially in this time of pandemic.
I'm glad to see you again, grade 8. Today, I am even more excited to witness your awesomeness. Welcome to your mathematics class. This is Miss Nika, your study buddy in math. And with an open mind and a grateful heart, learn along with me and let us be awesome! Before we start our lesson, let us have a game. Arrange these letters to create word or words. Let us have this for example. These letters will give us ordered pair. Correct. Let us have this first jumbled letters. The word is graphing. Correct. What about this one? The answer is substitution. Very good. Next, the word we form is elimination. Perfect. Next jumbled letters, the answer is linear equation. And lastly, awesome! The word is solution set. Wow, you're awesome! Since this is our last lesson of our first quarter journey, we will apply all the knowledge and skills we acquired in the last few lessons on solving problems involving systems of linear equations in two variables by graphing, substitution, or elimination. So, buckle up, get your self-learning module, paper, pen, and be ready for the challenges ahead. I believe that one of our favorite habits is saving money. Some of you have piggy banks or alakansya at home. The simplest way to save money is to keep all our coins in our alakansya or coin bank. We must begin with an easy and achievable goal, then slowly increase it as we adjust our daily budget. Also, make sure that we're not going to spend it unless if it is needed or for emergencies. So, let us say that you start saving 5 peso and 10 peso coins in your coin bank. You know that you have a total of 15 coins that sums up to 100 pesos. Now, let us use a mathematical model to represent your savings. Since we do not know the number of 5 peso and 10 peso coins, we can use the variables such as x and y. Let x be the number of 5 peso coins, and let y be the number of 10 peso coins. Since there are 15 coins in your alakansya, we write x plus y is equal to 15. But how can we write the next equation? The total value of the 5 peso coin can be represented by 5 times the number of coins x. while the total value of the 10 peso coin can be represented by 10 times the number coins y. Since the sum is 100, thus our second equation is 5x plus 10y is equal to 100. In this case, we have two equations to answer the question, how many 5 peso and 10 peso coins in your alakansya? Now, let us solve it. The system of equations consists of x plus y is equal to 15 and 5x plus 10y is equal to 100. Solve for y in terms of x in equation 1. Y is equal to 15 minus x. Substitute 15 minus x for y in equation 2. So we have 5x plus 10 times the quantity 15 minus x is equal to 100. We got 5x plus 150 minus 10x is equal to 100. Using subtraction property of equality, we have 5x minus 10x is equal to 100 minus 150. Then, combine like terms, we got negative 5x is equal to negative 50. Divide both sides by negative 5. The result is x is equal to 10. To solve for y, we simply substitute 10 as x in the equation y is equal to 15 minus x. The result is 5. Therefore, the solution of the system is 10, 5. The number of 5 peso coin is 10 and the number of 10 peso coin is 5.
That was easy. Now, let us have more. Many types of real-life mathematical problems can be solved using the systems of linear equations in two variables.
For example, in solving number relation problems, age problem, geometric relations problem, mixture problem, investment problem, work problem, and a lot more.
Oh, don't worry, because every problem has a solution. And let us not forget that there are three methods that can be used in solving problems involving systems of linear equations in two variables. These are graphing, substitution, or elimination.
Let us try this. I have two numbers whose sum is 10 and whose difference is 46. What are the numbers? First, we need to understand the problem. Then, we let x be the larger number and y be the smaller number. With this, we can now write our equations. The first condition is the sum of two numbers is 10. So we write x plus y is equal to 10. While the second condition, the difference of two numbers is 46. Therefore, we write x minus y is equal to 46. Now, let us solve it. Our equation 1 is x plus y is equal to 10. And our second equation is x minus y is equal to 46. Remember, there are three methods that can be used to solve this problem. In here, let us use elimination because we can cancel out positive y and negative y. Then x plus x is equal to 2x.
and 10 plus 46 is equal to 56. Divide both sides by 2. 2x divided by 2 is equal to x. And 56 divided by 2 is equal to 28. We have x is equal to 28. To solve for y, substitute x as 28 in equation 1. By applying the subtraction property of equality, the value of y is equal to negative 18. The solution of the system is 28, negative 18. Therefore, 28 and negative 18 are the two numbers. To check if our answer is correct, the sum of 28 and negative 18 is equal to 10. And the difference of 28 and negative 18 is equal to 46. Let us try this. The sum of the measures of two angles is 180 degrees. 3 times the measure of one angle is 24 less than the measure of the other angle. What is the measure of each angle? To solve, let x be the measure of the first angle, and let y be the measure of the second angle. Since the sum of the measures of the two angles, we write our first equation as x plus y is equal to 180. For our second condition, since 3 times the measure of one angle is 24 less than the measure of the other angle, we write 3x is equal to y minus 24. Let us use substitution to solve the problem. The system of equations consists of x plus y is equal to 180 and 3x is equal to y minus 24. Now, let us solve for y in terms of x in equation 1. We got y is equal to 180 minus x. After this, let us substitute 180 minus x for y in equation 2. 3x is equal to 180 minus x minus 24. Combine like terms, we got 3x is equal to 156 minus x. Using the addition property of equality, we have 4x is equal to 156. Then, divide both sides by 4. The result is x is equal to 39. Since we already have the value of x, we now solve for the value of y. In the equation, y is equal to 180 minus x. The result is 141. The solution set of the system is 39, 141. Therefore, the measure of the small angle is 39 degrees, and the measure of the large angle is 141 degrees. You got it right. Now, let us have this next problem. Mother is 3 times as old as her son. 10 years from now, Mother will be 2 times as old as her son. How old are they now? Again, understand the problem and identify what is being asked. To answer this problem, let x be the age of her son, and let y be the age of Mother. Since Mother is 3 times as old as her son, so we have y is equal to 3x as our first equation. In 10 years, Mother will be 2 times as old as her son. Thus, we have y plus 10 is equal to 2 times the quantity x plus 10. Solve for y in terms of x in equation 2. We get y is equal to 2x plus 10. Thus, we have the system y is equal to 3x and y is equal to 2x plus 10. In here, we can use elimination to answer the problem. Y is equal to 3x subtracted by y is equal to 2x plus 10. The result is x is equal to 10. So the age of the son is 10 years old. To get the age of the mother, simply substitute 10 in the equation y is equal to 3x. Will give you y is equal to 3 times 10. The result is 30. Therefore, the solution of the system is 10, 30. The son is 10 years old while mother is 30 years old now.
This time, I want you to get your pen and paper. For 3 minutes, answer this problem. Remember, there are 3 ways to solve systems of linear equations in 2 variables. And it's up to you what method to be used.
Here is the problem. A theater sold tickets for 500 pesos. Senior citizens receive a discount of 20% and paid only 400 pesos. On the initial showing, the theater sold 450 tickets and registered a total of 207,500 pesos. How many of each type tickets were sold? Time starts now.
Time is up! Now let us check your answer. Regardless of the method we use, whether graphing, substitution, or elimination, the answer would still be How are you in our short activity? Nevertheless, I know you have done a great work. Congratulations! Keep on practicing so you'll be ready for more application of this lesson, and you will find that they are fun, easy, and useful. With that, this is Miss Nika reminding you to practice more and have a positive attitude. Don't forget, ang batang alerto sa numero, ganado!